మాంసాహారులకు శుభవార్త. అన్ని రకాల తాజా చేపలు, రొయ్యలు మరియు పీతలు దొరుకు ఏకైక స్థలం డకాన్ ఫిష్ ల్యాండ్స్. హోల్సేల్ మరియు రీటైల్ అమ్మకాలతో మీకోసం సిద్ధంగా ఉంది డకాన్ ఫిష్ ల్యాండ్. మా అడ్రస్ షాప్ నెంబర్ 5 ఆపోజిట్ ఎల్లమ్మ టెంపుల్, బల్కంపేట్ రోడ్, హైదరాబాద్. వివరాలకై సంప్రదించండి 0403000088.
మీ పాత కార్ అమ్మాలనుకున్నా, కొనాలనుకున్నా లేదా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేయాలనుకున్నా సంప్రదించండి శ్రీ బాలాజీ కార్ కన్సల్టెన్సీ, ఆపోజిట్ సాయిబాబా టెంపుల్, ఎల్లమ్మ టెంపుల్ రోడ్, బల్కంపేట్, హైదరాబాద్. మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ 9346967469. స్పాట్ ఫైనాన్స్ సౌకర్యం కూడా కలదు.
Mohan's Motors since 1987. To buy, sell, exchange, park and sell, visit Mohan's Motors. Insurance and finance available. We have 3 branches at Amirpet, Secunderabad and Madhapur. Contact 9848772222. For details, log on www.mohansmotors.com.
असुफा इस्लामिक स्कूल तालीम इंसान को इंसानियत से हमकिनार करती है, लेकिन क्या आपका बच्चा हकीकी तालीम से आरास्ता हो रहा है? गौर कीजिए, दीन और दुनिया दोनों तालीम का मरकज,
जिसने इंसान को वो सिखाया जिसे वो नहीं जानता था.
Believe in prophets. May the prayer and salutations of Allah be upon this all.
सूरह बकरा नंबर 2 ayat number 255.
असुफा इस्लामिक स्कूल इंग्लिश मीडियम इस्लामी तालीम के साथ आपके इलाके का वाहिद स्कूल असुफा इस्लामिक स्कूल, स्वराजनगर, बोराबंडा.
The long pending work at Makkah Masjid will be completed within a week, and the amount of rupees is 1.30 crore sanctioned for development work at the mosque will be released shortly. The minister, along with officials of APC, PDCL, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation and Revenue, Police and the Minority Departments held a meeting at the Makkah Masjid to review the arrangements being made for the holy month of Ramzan. Mr. Ahmdullah inspect the mosque and going tile fixing work being taken up all the Christian.
कॉर्पोरेशन, R&B डिपार्टमेंट, हर डिपार्टमेंट को ही रमजान के वास्ते क्या क्या अरेंजमेंट करना है, इलेक्ट्रिक डिपार्टमेंट को कर दिया है. वो सब डिपार्टमेंट से, पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट से करे हैं. सब बेहतरीन से बेहतरीन अरेंजमेंट करने के लिए अरेंजमेंट कर.
Chief Minister N. Kiran Kumar Reddy camp has launched a fresh camp against Endowment Minister C. Ramachandra and Municipal Administration Minister M. Mahedar Reddy, demanding their removal from the cabinet on the grounds that the two ministers were ignoring the request of the party MLAs. While the camp against Ramachandra is being led by Kamalapuram MLA G. Vasiva Reddy, the one against Mahedar Reddy is led by K. Lakshma Reddy. 14 weeks after rearranging the world number 2 rank, Sania Nehwal slipped to number 4. The slide in the ranking hardly affected the Indian as she advanced to take quarterfinals of the Singapore Open Super Series with 16-21 and 21-9. There were no major upset in the women's singles as all the 3 top Chinese shuttles, Li Shuing, Wang Yahan and Wang Shixin, reached the quarters. Sania is likely to face one of the Wang in the semi-finals. Shweta Tiwari will tie the knot next month with actor Abhinav Kholi, her boyfriend, and a 3.5 years relationship. Though the date remains to be the fix, Shweta Tiwari confirmed the wedding will take place in July. She announced the wedding on the set of Dhalak Dikhla Ja. Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde had earlier in the day put the number of people rescued at 22,393 with 22 helicopters being deployed to undertake the rescue operations. But the fact of an estimated over 50,000 people including pilgrims, sadhus and residents still trapped in Kedarnath. The government knows it must fast because the IMD has warned that from June 23rd the weather will take a turn. The death toll of pilgrims from the rose to 9th on Thursday as the intent of the disaster in Uttarakhand started being clear. 6 pilgrims from Vizag were reported dead in Kedarnath town. 2 others from Guntur died while hundreds were still stranded in Uttarakhand. 1 people from Anantapur was reported died. AK Entertainment Private Limited is the producer of Action 3D and the director is Anil Sunkar. Actor Allari Naresh is playing as a hero and the actress Neelam Upadhyay is playing as a heroine. It is in comedy entertainment, and even tiger and chimpanzee is playing also an important role. This is the first 3D movie in action and is going to release today. India crushed Sri Lanka by 8 wickets in their Champion Trophy semi-final. Put into bat, Sri Lanka managed 181 by 8, fired by Shekhar Dhawan, 8 above, and Virat Kohli not out. India overheld the target in 35 overs. That India literally toyed with Lanka was evident when Captain Dhoni chucked his keeping gloves and bowled 4 overs for just 17 runs. The rupee slipped to a record low of rupees 59.98, triggering sell-off in the bond and the equity market as chairman of US Federal Reserves. The rupee also closed at its all-time low of rupees 59.58 to the dollar after the Reserve Bank of India stepped, but that wasn't all. The Reserve Bank of India managed to take off a bigger crisis of preventing the currency from crossing the psychological sensitive barrier of 60 against the dollar and the restricting exchange rate 59.58 at close through persistent dollar sales in the market. Second year supplementary results announced today at 9:30 am by SBSMK Parda Sardi has announced the results. Students can see their results on website www.apit.ap.gov.in, or they can get the result by calling 1255225 or by sending SMS from the BSN number IPE2 space hall ticket number, send it to 53345 or 53346.
మాంసాహారులకు శుభవార్త. అన్ని రకాల తాజా చేపలు, రొయ్యలు మరియు పీతలు దొరుకు ఏకైక స్థలం డకాన్ ఫిష్ ల్యాండ్స్. హోల్సేల్ మరియు రీటైల్ అమ్మకాలతో మీకోసం సిద్ధంగా ఉంది డకాన్ ఫిష్ ల్యాండ్. మా అడ్రస్ షాప్ నెంబర్ 5 ఆపోజిట్ ఎల్లమ్మ టెంపుల్, బల్కంపేట్ రోడ్, హైదరాబాద్. వివరాలకై సంప్రదించండి 0403007788.
మీ పాత కార్ అమ్మాలనుకున్నా, కొనాలనుకున్నా లేదా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేయాలనుకున్నా సంప్రదించండి శ్రీ బాలాజీ కార్ కన్సల్టెన్సీ, ఆపోజిట్ సాయిబాబా టెంపుల్, ఎల్లమ్మ టెంపుల్ రోడ్, బల్కంపేట్, హైదరాబాద్. మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ 9346967469. స్పాట్ ఫైనాన్స్ సౌకర్యం కూడా కలదు.
Mohan's Motors since 1987. To buy, sell, exchange, park and sell, visit Mohan's Motors. Insurance and finance available. We have 3 branches at Amirpet, Secunderabad and Madhapur. Contact 9848772222. For details, log on www.mohansmotors.com.
असुफा इस्लामिक स्कूल तालीम इंसान को इंसानियत से हमकिनार करती है, लेकिन क्या आपका बच्चा हकीकी तालीम से आरास्ता हो रहा है? गौर कीजिए, दीन और दुनिया दोनों तालीम का मरकज
जिसने इंसान को वो सिखाया जिसे वो नहीं जानता था.
Believe in prophets. May the prayer and salutations of Allah be upon this all.
सूरह बकरा नंबर 2 ayat number 255.
असुफा इस्लामिक स्कूल इंग्लिश मीडियम इस्लामी तालीम के साथ आपके इलाके का वाहिद स्कूल असुफा इस्लामिक स्कूल स्वराजनगर, बोराबंडा.